How are we doing, guys? Welcome to this video. Today we have got some cool Logitech products sent to us, and me and Sam are going to have a little look at them and see what we think.
Most of our members have started unpacking it and having a play with it, doing their own unboxings. But Nick and I wanted to basically just say thanks and have a look ourselves, and not let all the members have
Until we get to play
fun.
with it.
Yeah,
exactly. Right now, that's when we get to play with it.
So without further ado, should we start having a look at these headsets?
Let's have a look.
So to kick things off, guys, we're going to check out the G430 gaming headset. It just looks the part, doesn't it?
Proper esports.
Okay, Nick, so do you want to do honest?
Let's do this. Hit at Christmas, Sam. You can do the spec.
Here we go.
I'm opening the
He gets
box.
to play with the headset itself. So, I mean, straight away, you can see that nice fabric kind of
beautiful
ear cup. These are actually kind of removable. You can clean them as well. Microphone here.
Yeah.
Again, adjustable.
It looks like a super long cable.
If you're going to be gaming on your PC, chances are you're going to be very close to the tower. Console gaming, that's not going to be the case. You might be sat quite far away from your TV. That's exactly what you want.
Yeah,
a long
that's
cable.
brilliant.
You don't want to be there.
Perfect kind of, yeah, you can pop it all the way over there. You can be on your 50-inch on your console, you can sit back. Fixed microphone, that feels absolutely solid. No problems, no wiggling now. I don't think that's going to come off. It's very, very well built. And then you've got a little clip on, switch it on, switch the microphone on and off. Volume controls, as you'd expect. Beautiful, slick, great, good quality. Okay, what I do love is that it includes this little accessory. I'm a Mac user. I use a Mac. What's he laughing at?
You make sure everybody knows it.
And so Macs, all right, come on. They don't have a microphone input, so you need to use a USB and a microphone and a headphone input. So the microphone can go in, the headphone can go in, and we plug the USB in, and now it works perfectly well on my MacBook Pro.
Cool. Let's move on to the Pro headset, shall we?
Let's move on. Next up, the Logitech Pro, used by lots of esports, lots of gamers. I think Sam should have the privilege of unboxing this one.
So again, like really good quality box. You can see, you know, they've got some real attention to detail here. The esports teams on the side here, the headset, as well as the specs themselves on the other side. It's a really premium kind of product.
The experience you get when you're unboxing something, it really does matter how it's presented.
Yeah, first things first, you can see the headsets here. You see this kind of leather kind of ear cups. Let Nick do the honors again of putting them on. Oh, already a really nice feel to these.
Very nice, yeah. Nice and lightweight. Oh, they feel great. Instantly, great sound cancelling. A lot higher sound cancelling than the gaming headset.
Because this doesn't actually come with the attached microphone, you'll be able to use this probably out and about.
You're quite comfortably wear them walking down the street listening to your music.
Let's have a look at what else is in the box then. Got the microphone attachment here.
Yeah, plug that in, shall we?
And also a bunch of different cables.
Flexible arm on the microphone there to bend it exactly where you like it.
It looks like an esports commentator's headset. It's called Pro for a reason, let's put it that way. Again, here we have some cables in this other box, extension cables. We'll have a look, see if there's a USB as well. You can see this cable's a little bit shorter than the other headset, so probably more for your kind of PC gaming. Got volume controls in there as well.
Same as on the G430, you've got your volume controls, your on and off switch, and your little clip.
Extra ear cups. It seems like this headset doesn't come with a USB dongle adapter. On PC you're gonna have no problem, or with your MP3 player. But anything you need a headphone port for, your MacBook, Nick, I'm afraid.
Mac users are gonna have to buy a little dongle.
So let's move on to the G433s and round off the trilogy.
Let's do it. Alright, super excited about these. We've got the G433. I know our members have been using these and the feedback from them is fantastic.
Open it up.
Let's have a look, let's have a look. Oh.
First and foremost, that packaging, Logitech, really slick. Really
I almost don't want to open it.
I know.
I'm doing it, Sam, I'm doing it. Oh, I don't want to rip the box.
So the presentation's brilliant, first and foremost. Really kind of premium packaging, let's say. So you get this sleeve at the front. Kind of gives you some information about the kit itself.
Folds open on this end here. So it's like a little magnetic.
No expense spare?
No expense spare. Beautiful box.
And look at this. Really nice kind of fabric texture here on the headset itself.
Oh, it's so slick.
Got the Logitech logo on the top there and on the sides.
Check that out. Beautiful. I'm trying these bad boys on. Can't hear you, Sam. I can't hear you.
Have they got great noise cancelling headphones?
They have great noise cancelling.
It's hard to hear you, Nick.
They are great. We've had some kind of cheaper headphones that the kids have been using. They've compared them to these and they are just blown away by these. They can sit in peace, do their video editing.
Look aside, so underneath the headset itself, you have some other compartments there. So in this box, again, really nicely presented. Here you go. You've got a microphone and kind of wires, so you can use it as a USB microphone. You can also use it in a sort of aux port. Obviously, you're going to need a headphone jack and a microphone jack. Here we go, just a standard kind of aux cable. It's got a kind of volume mute control button on here. It comes with spare kind of pieces for headphones as well. What do you got there, Nick?
This is what I love, this detachable microphone.
Yeah.
You just pop it straight in, but when you're doing those Twitch streams, YouTube streams, whatever you're doing.
Adjustable as well. I mean, the great part about it is that if you're gonna go out into town, you want to listen to music, you're not gonna want to go around with your microphone.
That would be weird, Sam.
You're gonna want to take it off.
So this is great. This goes straight into the Mac as well.
You thought it's all over? But it isn't. There's actually another nice little feature in the bottom of the box. So this is a nice little kind of carry case for the headset, so you can protect it when you're not using it at home. Good quality.
Same material, same design, feels lovely.
So those have been the G433s. They also come in blue color as well. Really nice headset there.
Okay, price-wise, so you're looking at £70 basically for these ones, 85 for the Pros.
And about £110 for this set here, the G433s. I mean, these are my personal favourite, I've got to say. I just love the colour. And just like a really, really good, I mean, they're all good quality, but these ones,
feel
I think
great, they look great. When I put these ones on, I think these had the most sound cancelling properties.
Yeah.
So whilst I haven't plugged these ones in yet, I love the design of these ones, but if you're really looking for it to block out the sound in the room, this kind of, I think it just bumps it a little bit.
If you're going to be just gaming with it, then, you know, this is fantastic.
Yeah, the massive long cable.
G430s.
I think what we didn't mention is this is the only one without the detachable cable as well.
If you're going to be using your headset on the go to listen to music at the same time, then these two are kind of the choice. Due to the fact you can take the microphone out. With the G430s, obviously you can't remove the microphone, so you're not going to be wearing that out and about.
All in all, they are all amazing headphones, and we just want to say a big thank you to Logitech for sending them to us. Our members are definitely going to make use of these. Logitech also sent us some keyboards, mice, and webcams, and all of our members have started to make great video with that, so look out on our channel for some more videos from our members.
So if you want to stay in the loop of all the stuff we're up to, then remember to follow us on our social media accounts. You can find down below.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you later.